The question as to when a human life begins is a scientific question, not a philosophical one. Discussions on abortion and human embryo research make specific claims as to when the life of every human being begins. If the science used to ground these claims is faulty, then any conclusions drawn from them will be rendered invalid. The purpose of this video is to explore the question of when a human being begins. I want us to start at the dramatic moment of fertilization because it is at this moment when something very radical occurs. At this moment, you have millions of mature sperm cells released from the male during ejaculation into an ovulating female. The sperm cells normally travel into the fallopian tubes, where they meet a mature egg cell. Each sperm cell and each egg cell contain 23 chromosomes in the normal state. These chromosomes carry genetic information from the parents, from the father in the case of the sperm, and the mother in the case of the egg cell. Out of the millions of sperm cells, a single sperm cell fuses with the egg cell to form a zygote. This zygote is a unique and complete individual human being with 46 chromosomes like all humans. To be human means to belong to the species Homo sapiens. The zygote is clearly not the mother nor the father. It is a unique individual belonging to the human species. It is clear that this is not a bovine or feline zygote, it is a human zygote. Zygote is the stage of human, and a human is the status of the living organism. The zygote has all the genetic information needed to direct its own growth. From then on, it continues to grow in the uterus until it becomes a fetus, and from the fetal stage, it changes its environment and moves to the outside environment in which me and you exist, and it is now called a newborn. And from then on, it is called a child, and then an adolescent, and then an adult, and so on. All of these names are simply indicative of the stage at which the human is at. No information is added or deleted from the zygote stage up until the human dies, meaning that the growth from zygote to adult human is continuous. There's no line of demarcation that separates them. I will end this with a quote from Dr. Jerome Lejeune, who has been called the father of modern genetics. He says, "To accept the fact that after fertilization has taken place, a new human has come into being is no longer a matter of taste or opinion. The human nature of the human being from conception to old age is not a metaphysical conception, it is plain experimental evidence."